Hey there, car enthusiasts! Are you ready for the latest scoop on Acura's flagship SUV? Well, you're in luck because today, we're diving into the exciting world of the refreshed 2025 Acura MDX. Although details are still trickling in, we've got the inside scoop on what to expect from this eagerly anticipated model. So, what's the buzz surrounding the 2025 Acura MDX? Well, let's start with the latest insights from Honda's yearly Outlook document. While Honda's got some big plans in store, including the introduction of the ZDX EV and a brand new compact crossover, the spotlight is also on the enhancements slated for the 2025 MDX. First up, let's talk style. While we're still awaiting the grand reveal, it seems the 2025 MDX will receive some subtle yet noteworthy exterior updates. Considering its already sleek design, we can expect these changes to refine rather than redefine its appearance. But the real game changer lies within the cabin. Say goodbye to the touchpad-controlled infotainment system of yesteryears, because the 2025 MDX is stepping up its game with a sleek touchscreen interface. Not only that, but it's packing a punch with Google integration, enhanced driver assistance features, and a premium Bang and Olufsen stereo system. Now, what about performance? While details on powertrain upgrades are still under wraps, we're not expecting anything groundbreaking. The current MDX offers a choice between two robust V6 engines, with the Type S model boasting a turbocharged unit that's sure to get your heart racing. Whether you opt for front-wheel drive or go all in with the AWD setup, the MDX promises a thrilling ride. As for pricing, well, that's still a mystery. But if history's any indication, we can anticipate a slight bump in MSRP to accompany the refresh. Keep your eyes peeled for updates as we get closer to the official release. And there you have it, folks, the inside scoop on the 2025 Acura MDX. From sleek style upgrades to cutting-edge technology, this flagship SUV is gearing up to make waves in the automotive world. Stay tuned for more updates, and until next time, drive safe and stay adventurous. Thanks for watching.